Hi.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the Nepenthes Rafflesiana. Do you know about it?
No, I don't know. What if we ask Hazel about it? Maybe she know.
Okay, let's
Let's
go.
go. Hazel,
Do you know about this?
oh, I know about it. Let me ask you.
So just now, our friend Valentina and Jacqueline asked about Nepenthes Rafflesiana. So today, I will explain more on the introduction and taxonomic classification. But before that, do you guys know that Nepenthes Rafflesiana is a carnivorous plant? It is also commonly called as ruffle picture plants or periophyte. Next, I will explain on taxonomic classification. So first, Nepenthes Rafflesiana belongs to the kingdom of Plantae. And next is the division, which is Magnoliophyta, and the class is Magnoliopsida. The order is Paraphylales, and the family is Nepenthesia. The genus is Nepenthes, and last but not least is the species, which is Nepenthes Rafflesiana. So this species was named after Sir Stamford Raffles, and it is one of the most common plant that found in Southeast Asia. Other than that, it's also well known for its picture-shaped leaf that trap insects and obtain the nutrient from its environment. In this presentation, we'll be discuss more on habitat, life cycles, characteristics, the importance to the ecosystem and economy, as well as interesting facts about this fascinating species.
So how Nepenthes Rafflesiana survive and where it live? It is commonly found in Southeast Asia, for example, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, Southern Thailand, and Singapore. It loves warm, sticky, and humid environment, which is around 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. And you can usually find it in a lowland tropical forest, swamps, and open grasslands. But the thing is, it has a soil problem. It grows in acidic soils that lacks nutrient, especially nitrogen, which most plants need to survive. To meet up with the poor soils, it evolved to trap and digest an insect. Eating bugs give it a vital nutrients which it can get from the ground. Because it can eat a bug, it traps in tough environment where most plant won't survive.
To talk about the Nepenthes Rafflesiana that is the most well-known in Southeast Asia. First, let's look at its physical experience. Nepenthes Rafflesiana has a climbing plant that produces special picture-shaped leaf. This picture plant has a different color, which is green, yellow, red, and purple. If you look closely, the picture has a lid at the top and slipper rim called a peristome, and has a digestive liquid inside. It is nutrition. What makes this plant is more interesting is it can produce its own food through photosynthesis, just like other green plant. However, it also catches insects and small animals. After the prey fall into the picture, digestive enzyme break it down, and the plant absorb nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Let's talk about its general characteristics. This plant usually grows in tropical forests, swamps, and areas with high humidity. It prefers nutrient-poor soil, which is why it developed the ability to catch insects. One of the most unique characteristics is the picture trap. The bright color, nectar, and the scent attract the insect. Once they land on the slippery rim, they fall into the picture and cannot escape.
Nepenthes Rafflesiana can reproduce sexually through plants and flowers. The life cycle begins when female and male plants produce flowers. Pollination occurs when insects transfer pollen from male flowers into male flowers. After successful fertilization, the female flower develops into a fruit capsule that contains numerous small seeds, and these seeds are dispersed by wind to suitable habitat. When the seeds land in a moist environment, they germinate and develop into seedling. The young plants gradually produce leaf and small pitcher. As the plant continues to grow, larger pitcher develop and become more efficient at capturing insects. Eventually, the plants reach its maturity and produce flowers that allows the life cycle to begin again. Last but not least, this reproductive strategy helps maintain healthy population of Nepenthes Rafflesiana in tropical ecosystem.
Nepenthes Rafflesiana helps to reduce the number of the insects by trapping and eating them. Its pitches also provide a home for a small animals such as ants and mosquitoes. This plant is popular as ornamental plant. It is also important for the tourism and conservation. Fun fact, this plant and its pitches can grow up to 35 centimeters long, and its colors and shape can change depending on the environment. So in conclusion, Nepenthes Rafflesiana is a unique carnivorous plant that can live in a nutrient-poor soil. So it is important for the nature and biodiversity.